Hello everyone. Welcome to another TrustSync tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to monitor the analytics of your review request emails on TrustSync. First, open the TrustSync app. Next, go to the Analytics option in the left side panel under TrustSync. Now, you will find the detailed analytics of your review request emails. At the top, you will get statistics for total sent, pending, opened and clicks. Also, you have the list of all review request emails with individual details like recipient name, email, date and time, review link and order link. Use the search and filter option to find specific emails. In addition, you can change the number of emails displayed in the list. Hit the Clear All button to reset it. To check the latest sent emails, select the corresponding tab. Here, you will also find similar analytics and individual email details. Also, you have the search and filter options in this tab. From the review source dropdown, choose a specific review platform to get the corresponding emails in the list. You can also go for the All Review Sources option. Click the calendar button to specify the date range for which you want the emails to be listed. This is how easily you can check email analytics on the TrustSync app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Here's to a more efficient customer review management experience.